Hey guys, welcome back to Mechanical Boost. Today, we have got a hot topic for you: why your car loses power during acceleration. It's a frustrating experience that many of us have encountered at some point. In this video, we're going to uncover the reasons behind this mysterious phenomenon. Before we dive in, if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for notifications. Now, let's discuss the causes why your car loses power during acceleration. 1. Faulty fuel pump. The fuel pump is responsible for delivering fuel from the tank to the engine. A failing fuel pump may not provide a consistent flow of fuel, and leads to a lean air-fuel mixture and reduced power during acceleration. 2. Clogged fuel filter. The fuel filter removes the impurities from the fuel before sending it to the engine. If it becomes clogged, it may restrict fuel flow, affecting the fuel pressure and, consequently, engine performance. 3. Faulty spark plugs. The primary function of a spark plug is to ignite the compressed air-fuel mixture in the combustion chamber. This ignition is necessary for the combustion process that drives the engine. Worn or foul spark plugs can result in inefficient combustion, leading to a loss of power. 4. Faulty ignition coils. Ignition coils generate the high-voltage spark needed for spark plugs to ignite the fuel. Bad ignition coils can cause misfires, reducing engine power. 5. Clogged air filter. The air filter prevents debris from entering the engine. A dirty or clogged air filter limits the airflow, disrupting the air-fuel ratio, and reducing power. 6. Bad catalytic converter. The catalytic converter helps reduce emissions by converting harmful gases. A faulty converter can restrict exhaust flow, causing backpressure, and reducing engine efficiency. 7. Bad MAF sensor. The MAF sensor measures the amount of air entering the engine. If it malfunctions, the engine control module may receive inaccurate data. This inaccurate data affects the fuel injection rate, causing power loss. 8. Damaged timing belt. The timing belt or chain synchronizes the rotation of the camshaft and crankshaft. If it slips or breaks, the engine's timing is disrupted, leading to power loss. 9. Faulty throttle position sensor. The throttle position sensor monitors the position of the throttle. An issue with the throttle position sensor can lead to incorrect signals to the engine control module, impacting throttle response and power delivery. 10. Vacuum leaks. Engine vacuum plays a role in maintaining the proper air-fuel mixture within the combustion chambers. Leaks in the vacuum system can allow unmetered air to enter the engine. This unmetered air may disrupt the air-fuel mixture, and causing power loss. 11. Idle control valve problems. The idle control valve maintains the engine idle speed. If it malfunctions, it may not respond correctly during acceleration, leading to a hesitation or delay in throttle response. 12. Bad oxygen sensor. The O2 sensors of your vehicle monitor the oxygen content in the exhaust gases. Malfunctioning sensors can provide inaccurate data to the engine control module. This inaccurate data leads to improper fuel-to-air ratios and, subsequently, reduced power during acceleration. 13. Wheel and tire issues. Incorrect tire pressure or alignment issues can increase rolling resistance. This additional resistance requires more power from the engine to accelerate the vehicle, resulting in reduced overall performance. 14. Air conditioning system load. Activating the air conditioning system puts an additional load on the engine. If the system is malfunctioning or the load is excessive, it can divert power from acceleration to operate the AC compressor. This results in reduced performance. 15. Clogged fuel injector. Fuel injectors play a crucial role in delivering the correct amount of fuel into the combustion chamber for optimal combustion. When a fuel injector becomes clogged, or is not functioning properly, it can lead to poor combustion that affect the engine's performance, including power loss.